In front of me is my phone N23, and today I would like to show you how you can set up screen lock. Begin by opening settings and scrolling down to access security section. Then click on biometrics and password. Tap on screen lock at the top right corner and pick one of those lock methods that you wish to use: pattern, PIN or password. Then create it. Select next at the bottom right corner and repeat it to confirm it. Then select confirm. Now you need to answer this question by choosing one of the available options. How do you want the lock screen to display your notifications? Show all notification content, show sensitive content only when unlocked, or don't show notifications at all. Whatever you decided, when you finished, hit done. So when I switch off my screen and turn it back on, I can set pattern is required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!